In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer funds between your Wealthsimple accounts step by step. So if you're looking to move money from your personal accounts to your TFSA or from your TFSA to your RRSP, this video will walk you through the whole process. Let's get started. First, open the Wealthsimple app. From your dashboard, tap on the account that currently holds the money. This is the account you're transferring from. Once you're inside that account, look for the button that says Move Money. On this screen, you'll see that your selected account is already set as the source account. And right below that, you'll see the available amount that you can transfer. Make sure this is the right amount and that you have enough funds to move. Next, click Choose Destination. On this screen, you'll see a list of other Wealthsimple accounts like your TFSA, RRSP, personal, or crypto accounts. Select the account that you want to transfer to. Now, click Next. On this screen, enter the amount that you want to move. Just make sure that it's equal to or less than the available balance that you saw earlier, and then tap Next. You'll now see a summary screen showing where the money is coming from and where it's going and how much you're moving. Double check everything to make sure it looks correct. Once you've reviewed the details, hit Submit. And that's it. You have successfully transferred funds between your Wealthsimple accounts. Transfers between Wealthsimple accounts are usually fast and don't trigger any fees. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.